In this video, I want to show you how to prepare Thai basil chicken. It is delicious with a deep savory flavor and hunger-inducing aroma. A favorite one-plate quick meal, Thai basil chicken is simple to prepare, which is commonly served over a bed of steamed rice with a deep fried egg. The ingredients are mostly available in most of the kitchen pantry, perhaps with one or two exotic ingredients. Here it is. You need some oil for sauteing and deep frying, some slices of onion, minced garlic, some chicken meat. Here are the seasonings: bird's eye chili, oyster sauce, fish sauce, sweet soy sauce, sugar, and some water to cook the chicken, corn flour to thicken the sauce, basil, ground white pepper. Add some vegetable oil in the wok. Add some sliced onion into the wok and saute until soft. Do not add garlic together with the onions because garlic tends to burn quickly. Add the garlic only after the onions turn slightly brown. Add the diced chicken and continue to stir fry until the chicken meat is cooked. It may take about 2 to 3 minutes. So far the cooking process is relatively standard, but once you add the seasoning, you will start to smell the typical aroma of Thai street food drifting into your sitting room. And the bird's eye chili. Add the oyster sauce. Sweet soy sauce, fish sauce, some sugar. You can adjust the amount of chili according to your preference. The amount of chili in this recipe is moderately spicy, which is still considered mild to the locals. Add some water and let the chicken cook for a while so that it absorbs the sauce. Add a corn flour slurry to the chicken. The sauce should not be runny, but to cling on to the surface of every dice to ensure you enjoy every bite full of unique flavor of Thai cuisine. Add the basil leaf when the water is about to dry out. The basil needs only about half a minute to cook and will quickly wilt and change to dark green. Once this happens, add some ground white pepper to season and dish out. I've just shown you how to prepare the Thai basil chicken. You can download the recipe and read more details on my blog, tasteasianfood.com, Thai basil chicken. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below. You'll find there are many more similar Asian dishes out there. Thanks for joining me today. My name is KB Kwan. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.